Hello! So today we have an unboxing of New East W or New West W and their photo book, their tabloid photo book called Waiting Queue. I think it's kind of like double-sided in that there's some images that are upright this way, and then, at least according to the back, this is a part 2, so I'm guessing there's images that are upright this way. So I pre-ordered this unfortunately during the second batch, so I missed the lenticular period by like 1 or 2 days. So I don't have a lenticular, but I do have the random photo card that you got when you pre-ordered. I'm not sure if any orders now would come with the photo cards, because I believe that was a benefit of pre-ordering, but I'm not too sure. Oh, okay, so my photo card is here. This is the back of the card. And then I got Junior. So when I first opened this package, I was kind of like questioning, is Junior Jonghyun really my bias? Because I pulled him so often in my own copies of like New East albums, and that rarely happens with your biases. But I guess I'm just really lucky with New East. I pulled Junior, yay! Okay, so like I mentioned earlier, the other side is a part 2, and since everything is upside down, gotta show it this way. Okay, so part 2 is really short. It's just like the black and white images and the These are the really nice images with the interviews on the part 1. So that was it for this unboxing video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.